All right.
Really? My feet up on.
All right, on this particular problem up here, we have a problem, okay? It's more than just a math problem. This one's got x, y, and z in it.
So?
This one's got x and y in it. This one's got y and z in it. Okay, none of them match. So what you can do is you can put a 0z in this, okay? Or I could put a 0x in this. Okay, so I'm going to take this top two. Notice this one doesn't have an x. So if I can put these two together and eliminate out the x, I can put it with that. Okay, so I've got 4x minus 3y plus 5z equals 43. These two, I don't have a z, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go 2x plus y plus 0z equals 9. Okay, so if I don't have a z, I can always write 0z because that's actually equal to nothing. So if I can take these two and I can eliminate out the x, then the answer to this I can put with that. Okay? So, what can I do to eliminate out the x?
Multiply by -2.
Okay, multiply this by -2. 4x minus 3y plus 5z equals 43. And this one's going to be -4x plus -2y plus 0 times -2 is still 0. So 0z equals -18. So when I add this, that goes away. I have a -5y plus 5z equals, what's 43 minus 18? Somebody do it real quick on their calculator so we don't make careless mistakes.
30.
Yeah,
20.
we don't want to take the chance. What
45.
is it? 45?
25.
25.
25.
Okay.
25.
All right, so now if you look at it, this one has a y and a z. This one has a y and a z. So now I can put this one with this one and eliminate out something else. So I have a 3y minus 2z equals -9. And I have a -5y plus 5z equals 25. Now, we want to eliminate out either the y or the z. You choose. Thomas, which one do you want to do, the y or the z? The y? Okay, so to eliminate out the y, we want both of them to be 15. Okay? I can multiply this one by what, Ren? 5. And the bottom one by what, Ren?
Oh, sorry, 3.
3. Okay, so when I bring this over, I do 15y minus 10z equals -45. This one is -15y plus 15z equals 75, and I'm going to add. That goes away. That gives me a 5z equals 30. When I divide, I get z equals 6. Now what am I going to do?
Plug it back into.
Plug it back into one that has a z and something else. So I can plug it back in to this one. I can plug it back into this one. Okay, it doesn't matter. So if I do this one, I go 3y minus 2 times 6 equals -9. 3y minus 12 equals -9. I'm going to add. So that's going to give me a +3, and I'm going to get y equals 1. So now I have the second one. Now how am I going to find my x?
Plug them both in the top one.
Okay, I'm going to plug it back into the top one. So I have 4x minus 3y plus 5z equals 43. And so this is going to be a 1. This is going to be a 6. So I have 4x minus 3 plus 56 equals 43. So I have 4x plus 53 equals 43. 4x Something went wrong somewhere.
Alright, hang on.
Oh, it's 4 times, that's why. This is 30. So that's gonna give me a 27. Somebody subtract 27 from 43.
16.
What is it?
16.
16. X equals 4.
Mm-hmm.
Okay? Alright,
It says x equals x.
I know, well, it's a 4.
Wait, did you say
just can't
27
see it.
subtracted by 47?
It's
43.
43 minus 27.
Oh, 43.
Okay. Alright, now, I'm gonna give you your homework. Okay, now, I'm just gonna be honest with you.
There's 3 to do.
We're,
2.
you're gonna take your test on Thursday.
Yeah.
Okay, there's just no way, okay? Because this takes practice.
Is this gonna be
It
the
really
test?
does. So we will continue to work more on this tomorrow, okay? So you're gonna have this for homework. There will probably be a quiz after we work some on it. Now, so you'll miss a quiz, okay? But we will work more on this material tomorrow. I might give you your, well, no, I think what we'll do is we'll review on Thursday and we'll test on Tuesday, okay? This chapter hasn't been that bad, okay? It is solving by graphing, solving by substitution, solving by elimination, solving by Kramer's rule, linear programming, and this. That's the whole chapter, okay? But this takes work. You got to put some effort into it, and I don't want to rush through it. For one thing, you need to understand if you visualize 3 straight lines and they're going to cross at one point. Okay, so rather than just doing 2-dimensional, it would be a 3rd-dimensional line. Okay, so this is going to be your homework, and after I put it up here, I'm going to tell you which ones don't come out even.
That's amazing. 2 pages.
All right, it's just 14 through 24 even,
There's a lot.
and
That's a
the
lot.
only one that does not come out to a whole number is number 22. Okay, so I'm gonna put a star right there next to 22. Anything else, if you get a fraction or a decimal answer, you've done something wrong. Now, when you go to do these problems, it is almost impossible to look at a piece of paper and come up with your mistake. So if you do something wrong, I would start the problem over.
You're done.
Okay? That would be my suggestion to you.
Yeah.
You mess up, you're done.
Yeah.
No.
First thing I have to learn is paper.